Right here I have this amazing storage cabinet that I wanted to show you guys all about. Now check this out. This is going to be a farmhouse style, and something different about this is it actually has 4 different sections. I have not seen that in a shoe storage cabinet yet. So this is a farmhouse look. This is going to be a really nice high density board that is going to be mixed between like a natural and a dark brown, but it looks amazing. And guess what? We have a nice rattan material here. That is so cool. As you open up these nice ergonomic gold handles, you can see that my shoes are right here, ready to go. Now I have a size 10 foot, so I personally wouldn't recommend really much more than that. You can see the clearance there, and depending on how many shoes you put in here. So this fits 32 to 50 different pairs of shoes. So you're gonna be able to fit a ton in here, and it just looks nice, very slim, very easy to open and close, which I do appreciate. I love this handle, and you can actually move this right here in a couple different ways. You can slide this board up if you want to have a little bit more room down here versus on the top, but it just closes very simple. As you can notice here, I actually do have a couple things here. I got my wallet, I got my keys, so if you walk into the house from my entryway, I can easily just throw my stuff right here and just have it ready to go. Now this holds 50 pounds. It is load bearing of 50 pounds. So you don't want to stack too much weight on the top, but you could definitely put maybe some flowers, a lamp, something really nice. Now this does come with like a rubberized foam pad for the bottom. So I do think that is really nice. You can slide this on the floor. You can see there is a backing all the way on the bottom. And I do like that because I actually use the bottom of these to store shoes as well. So you can see that I have a white baseboard. So with this baseboard actually being all the way down to the ground, I can shove shoes in there all the way to the back, knowing that it's not going to scuff up my white baseboard. So I absolutely do love that. And there is a lot of clearance here. So you can put like boots, slippers, your easy, just quick to go shoes right there. Look how narrow this is. Very narrow, very slim. And the fact that it has 4 different sections is so impressive. Each one of these is going to hold a decent amount of shoes, and they all just open and close so nice and easy. If you're looking for a shoe storage rack, I absolutely love this. Super slim. I love the farmhouse look with the rattan. It definitely has features that I have not seen on a shoe storage rack yet. I love it. I love the shelf. Very practical. Add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.